What's going on, guys? It's your guy, the Broken Swimmer, here to bring you another video. Today's video is a quick unboxing, a quick look, a quick glance at the Galaxy Note 9. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is the phone right here actually. This is the phone right here. Now I actually have a Galaxy Note 9 in the box. The reason being for that is because I'm returning it. I ordered one from Samsung, realized I could find a better deal at Best Buy. So I'll go through that soon, but for now let's actually get to the unboxing. The box is already open. You know, it is what it is. Didn't get to use it yet. That's how they didn't really do too much good packaging. It's in a box, so I guess it's already protected, but you know, you never know what could happen, you know. So this is the box right here. Let me get that under the camera. And this is what it came with. This is what I chose as my gift. This is the AKG N60 wireless Bluetooth headphones. Don't know how they sound. I'm not much of a Fortnite player. It's never really got. I actually never even played Fortnite, to be honest. I did play PUBG. On mobile, which was whatever. I might try with the Galaxy, but you know, let's see what happens. And let's check the box out. Let me make sure y'all don't see my address. And then the crazy fans showing up to my house, right? Alright, let's get to it. Here we go. This is the box right here. And now I should probably, I don't have my bag. Oh, I do have my bag on. Give me 1 second. Now there's a couple of things. I'm not gonna get into it just yet. This is my box for the unlocked one I bought at Best Buy, and it's actually a little bit different than what I bought. I bought the T-Mobile version for in Samsung. And box is not really different, but I'll get to it. Anyways, let me pull this out. Right, so guys, this is the box right here. This is the T-Mobile version. So you just gotta flip this up right here. And it's honestly not too much to these boxes, yo. I'm telling y'all, I don't know what. I remember when unboxing used to be mad exciting. You know, when you have, anyways, you just have the opening tool right there. Not really the opening tool, but just the SIM card slot removal tool. And bam, you got the phone right in your face. Now this is the T-Mobile version, right? And interestingly enough, the T-Mobile version comes with this little plastic screen thing here with the little attention SIM card thing and all that other good stuff. The funny thing about that is this one didn't. There was a plastic on there, but it had no information on there. I know that's like, alright, who cares? But it's just a small thing I realized. Another thing I realized was that from the factory, the stylus was actually poking out originally already, as you can see it here. And on mine with the unlocked version, it was just in there. It wasn't like poking out or nothing. I don't know if there's any special meaning behind that, but they just decided not to, you know, go with that. I don't know why it was like that, unless someone used my phone or something before I even used it. Who knows? What else is over here? So you got your T-Mobile SIM card, and what I do like what they do is they still give you the big one or whatever, and like if you have, it's kind of like an adapter. So you know, if you like to switch phones frequently or whatever, like I do. I don't know who else using a phone with a big SIM card slot, but if you do, it's there. Let's stick crap further, whatever. You got your charger or whatever. USB-C to a USB, I think it's like USB-A, whatever, a USB female connector, and then you got your wires. You got your AKG headphones, which I do enjoy those. They do break easy. I've had 2 pairs. They broke already. That's when I have my S7 and my S8. So I'm not expecting this to last that much longer either. But you know, headphones are headphones, right? So yeah, guys, it's not much to this box really. This phone is a good looking phone and everything, and I did order some cases. It should be coming soon, so that will be the next video for the Galaxy Note 9 series of these videos. And we're gonna see if I'm gonna keep this phone, man. I mean, this phone's obviously being returned, but in terms of just actually keeping the phone, because like I said, I got one straight from Best Buy. I'm not 100% sure yet, so we're gonna see. I mean, so far I do like it. I like the form factor. It's actually not as big as I thought it'd be, and I guess that's because I got so used to using phones. Like, you know, I got a OnePlus 6 right here. This is my daily driver, and I have my OnePlus 5T here as well. So, I mean, I don't know, guys. I mean, the phone's not that much bigger than these phones. I mean, this is the OnePlus 6. This is the Note 9. And it's a little bit longer, but screen-wise, it's a little bit bigger. But in terms of holding it in your hand, it's not that bad. I haven't put a case on it yet, so who knows. But you'll see the cases that I did buy. I like to keep the slim form factors in mind. I like to show off the phone a little bit. So you'll see the cases. You'll see what's going on. Other than that, guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you soon. Peace.